Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Supreme Spirit, Chapter 15, Shloka 16. Two Purushas are there in this world, the perishable and the imperishable. All beings are the perishable, and the Kutastha is called the imperishable.
Chapter 15, Shloka 16. Dvavimo purusho loke sharakshakshara eva cha kshara sarvani bhutani kutastokshara uchyate.
Chapter 15, Shloka 16. Considering the relative world of experiences, Lord says, in the earlier chapters, we have seen that the Supreme Self itself expresses as the lower nature and the higher nature. The sun, the warmth in the atmosphere, the earth, its potentialities, the plant kingdom, and the man and his capacities, all of them constituting the field of matter, are nothing other than the Supreme Self. When the infinite consciousness becomes the light and heat of the sun, the fertility of the earth, the essence in the plant, the consciousness in the heart, the faculties of knowing and remembering, they are all forms of consciousness alone. The field of matter is nothing other than the spirit itself. The only difference is that the spirit, when it has assumed the form of matter, looks as though it is subject to change and destruction. Thus, the realm of matter is indicated in this stanza as the perishable Kshara Purusha. In the relative field of experience, when we talk with reference to the inert and perishable world of matter, the spirit is indicated as the conscious principle, which is imperishable. With reference to one's wife alone, one is called a husband. When I have a son, I will become a father. Similarly, with reference to the perishable and the changing matter envelopments, the consciousness is indicated as the imperishable and the changeless, which is constantly aware of all the changes. This conscious principle is called Akshara, only with reference to and as a contrast with the perishable, the Kshara. This immutable and imperishable principle of life is the self, common in all living creatures at all times. That this self, in the midst of change, remains changeless, and all the changes take place only in contact with it, are both indicated by the metaphor suggested by the term used here, Kutastha. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, Join Chinmay Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmay Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.